Okay, we're going to draw out a couple simple dimensions next. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to sweep a line down for a hair. Okay, I'm going to do the same on this side. Just so I can figure out about where I want to put that. About here. Just going to draw a line straight across for the eyebrow line. And then we're going to come a little bit down below that. We're going to draw a line for the nose. Okay? We're going to take our V tool, we're going to cut those out. I'm going to start with about where I want to put the nose. Just take some wood out of there. You hear noise behind me, that's my fan. I have to turn it on, it's getting a little warm in the shop today. Okay, that's all I'm doing is taking some wood out there. We're going to come over here and cut out that eye ridge with our V tool. Brow line. Take some wood out there. I usually like to do the hair with my knife, but I'll use the V tool since it's in my hand. 1, 2, and that gives me some basic dimensions to work with. Okay, now we can take the nose out a lot of different ways. We can run our knife down through it. We can use a gouge. We've covered that on a lot of the videos. Since I have the V tool, I'm trying to keep this simple. So I don't like to usually do a nose with a V tool, but let me show you how you can do that. Come up on the side here. Come up on the side here and get the nose about as wide as you figure you would want it. And you change it any way you want. Some are smaller, some are bigger. Alright. And once I do that, a little more out here, I'll come up here with my knife into the eye. Alright. Gonna cut across, putting a stop cut, and then come down to the center here, or at the corner of the nose, not the center. And cut up to that stop cut. Take that wedge of wood out. Okay. I'm going to flip it over to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to put a stop cut. Okay. Come down to the corner and just cut up to that stop cut. Okay, now we've deepened a little bit on the sides of the nose. Then you shape the nose down so it's flush with those cheeks. Another thing I like to do is, you see how flat this is? Now the forehead should angle back up under the hat. Okay? The nose should angle up under the brow line, 45-degree angle this way. Okay? So I'm going to take that and angle it back a little bit. Take some wood out. So I'm going to keep taking some out under that nose and rounding the sides off here. Okay, so make sure that nose is angled up and under that eye bridge. Right? Now the forehead, what I like to do is put a stop cut up here. Right? Turn it over and angle that forehead back 45 degrees. So it goes up under the hat. Okay, so from a side view, you can see everything's starting to angle up and back. Alright? Just work that back in. Make sure that your nose goes into the sides of the face pretty smooth. You want a smooth transition here. That way we can make our nose really as wide as we want. Just drawing in, cutting out with V tool. Okay. Work on smoothing everything off. Now I'm going to set the wing angle for the nose. Draw a couple lines here with my pencil. Take my knife. One cut. One cut. Take that chip out. Same over here. One cut. One cut. Take that chip out. And then clean it up. starting to shape up a little bit. You do want to keep this rounded here. Round that over. Right into where the hair goes. On one side, move it over. Keep that flowing off to the sides. So this maintains a roundness. Okay. It'll be a lot easier to build a mustache and a beard and everything. And keep that pretty smooth as you go and rounded. Okay, so you can see he's going to be pretty easy to shape up. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit more. I'm going to run my knife down that line. On this side, I'm going to put a stop cut. Because in the next section, we're going to cover a very important thing that I think everybody misses when they do any size carving. And that is to take the sides over here out for the eyes. So when you look at it from the side, all of this reveals the eyeball, right? And it really makes a difference in your face being rounded or your face looking flat. Okay, you'll get good depth if you can learn this one trick I'm about to show you in all your carvings.